What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the format the disk drive before you can use it error you are getting on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. This error usually occurs when Windows can't read the file system of a drive. It could be due to various reasons like drive corruption, outdated drivers, or connection issues. Sometimes, the problem is as simple as a faulty USB port. Try connecting your drive to a different USB port on your PC if you're using an external disk drive. If it's an external hard drive, consider connecting it directly via SATA connector. Next, to rule out any issue with your PC, try connecting the drive to a different Windows PC or laptop. If the error persists, it's likely an issue with the drive itself. Outdated or corrupted drivers could be the culprit. Press Windows key and X and select Device Manager. Or simply search for Device Manager in your Start menu search to open it up. Expand Disk Drives. Right-click the affected drive and choose Update Driver or Uninstall Device. Restart your PC when you're done and the Format Disk Drives error should be fixed. When this is done, run a scan to fix the file system errors and drive corruption. Open your command prompt application by searching for it in your Start menu search. On this window, use the command chkdsk x/r/f. Replace X with your drive letter and hit Enter. In my case, that would be chkdsk c/r/f. It will take a moment for the scan to complete. You can then close your command prompt and open your Windows File Explorer. Right-click the affected drive and select Properties. Go to the Tools tab and click on Check. Follow the prompts to scan the drive. If none of these steps work and your data is crucial, consider using a data recovery software such as PassFab FixUWin. A link will be in the description below. You can download this program for free and it will diagnose and fix a plethora of Windows-related problems, including the format disk drive error you are getting. Consider backing up your data in the future to avoid losing important files. If you are frequently encountering this error, it might be time to replace the drive. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.